Hi, Jenny here. I have some bananas that are turning ripe, so today we are going to make banana oatmeal muffins. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 1 cup of non-quick cooking oats, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, half a cup of applesauce, 1 cup, which is about 2 bananas, mashed, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup chopped walnuts. This recipe calls for soaking the oats in the milk for 1 hour. So I went ahead and did that already. I put my oats in a larger bowl because we're going to mix the other stuff in here. 1 cup of milk, and they've been sitting. So the oats did soak up all that water, but they are good to go then for our other ingredients. We are going to mash our bananas in a bowl, so you just want to break these apart in chunks. And then we'll take a fork and we'll mash them all up. They're so ripe, my top of this one even came off. I couldn't get the whole stem off when I picked this banana off the bunch. We will mix our dry ingredients into a bowl and then set those aside. So we needed that 1.5 cups of flour, teaspoon of baking powder and cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. At this point, I went ahead and preheated my oven to 400 degrees because it shouldn't take too long to get this all done, and then it'll be ready when we have everything all mixed up. So, mix up the oats a little bit. We'll combine the rest of our wet ingredients. So we need that half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of applesauce, our banana, and our egg. Alright, now we will take our mixture and put it into our 12 muffin tins here. So in my muffin tin I put some liners in there. So I have some cute little polka dot ones and some green ones. So we're just going to fill these up about 3/4 of the way full, and then we will bake them for 20 minutes at that 400 degrees. As I figured, this looked like a big batch. I've got batter left. I don't want to go too much higher. I don't know how much they're going to raise, but I don't want to go too much higher than that. So then the other thing we want to do before we bake them is put some of the chopped walnuts on top. I could have chopped them up a little bit more. These are walnut pieces, so just sprinkle a few of these on top of each muffin. All right, these have been cooking. Beep, beep. Yum on. These have been cooking for 20 minutes. So we shall put a toothpick in. See if they're done. Oh yeah, feels tough. Coming out clean. I did get an extra 5 muffins from that batter mixture, and they did poof up a little bit, so going with a 3/4 full or less make for a good muffin. The banana oatmeal muffins are done. They're just still a touch warm, which should make them extra delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Let me know in the comments down below if you've eaten banana oatmeal muffins before, or what type of muffin is your favorite. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I'll leave the recipe down in the description below too. I don't want to stick it to the wrapper. They said to spray the wrapper, but I was thinking, well, you know, muffins usually stick just a little bit anyways. But, goodness gracious. Well, let's see. That was good. And it's just a tad warm, which makes it even better. Got the banana. Got the nuts on top. Pretty good.